Hello, what's up everyone? So for today's video, it is 5 days before Cliff's birthday and we are going to the beach. Cliff is really excited to go to the beach. So in here, we are preparing ourselves for us to bring the things we need and the food we need to bring to the beach because we don't have a breakfast yet. Going to the beach is what the kiddos really like because they really enjoy swimming and collecting shells.
Alam mo diri kay kuan. Pwede ba sa among spot?
Gila ka.
Ayaw na? Uy, wala po biya. O ka manana.
So before we go there, I also bring biscuits to Cliff so that he has something to eat and for him to enjoy himself. Cliff really likes to eat a lot. He don't picks foods. He just eats on whatever what we give to him. And today it is very hot. That's what you can see. The place, the sun is shining brightly like a diamond, and here in the Philippines it is actually really hot, not like the other countries. Here we are now ready to go to the beach and we are just waiting for the others getting on the tricycle. Cliff really likes to ride tricycles and motorcycles, and here we are also with the kiddos, and that will make this trip more fun because more kids, more fun. And we're set off, and the one on the motorcycle was actually Cliff's father and Kuya Rito. So they are just riding the motorcycle so that there will be a backdrop vehicle.
Maligo na siya. Ayaw. Matagat ka. Maligo ka? Matagat na. Maligo. Ayaw. Dagat na. Dagat. Oh. Ganda ng slippers, babe. Dagat? No. Galaan, sige. Asa galaan? Asa galaan? Ganda na siya mga kidag. Ano na kidagat?
Nami sa kuan sa dagat karon ha. Tanawa. Tanawa ang bata oh. Yakiyat lang dako ning bata. Oh guys oh. Nga giinom namang tubig lagi ni. Ayaw be. No. Ayaw pag inom mag tubig. No. Hala kapakapa. Kaluya mo ra itong itik guys ana. Bumagis ka naman. Kaluya naman ning bata na. Ang lagi, inom gagat. Ipakuan ba? Ipasalom ba? Ipasalom lang. Kaloya. Ano sa naman eh guys? Nala, kakapakapalo. Ganda, ano. Gitog na, ano nagot? Adili, natog na dahil guys. Ano? Ito na, te. Huwag kinae. Huwag kinae, oy, ito. Kapait mo, God. Ano po? Pilit-pilit, eh.
Ibutan, oh, ibutan diri ka.
Na sa ate, oh. Lekog,
Oh,
Sus kay mo. Tagak manis ako ang kamatagak man.
Hindi ka. Hindi ka niya. Usap-usap pa na. Kento. Ayaw ko diyo. Taas sa hagdan. Ano na? Ano na? Hello, the Portuguese video.